أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وإنا لجاعلون ما عليها صعيدا جرزا وإنا again same thing نون مشدد 2 count غنة and stretching is also for 2 حركة لجاعلون جا 2 حركة لو 2 حركة okay you can see there are muds here but عين 1 count and also it should not sound like hamza لجاعي okay لجاعلون ما 2 حركة عليها don't say عليها lay is wrong yalin should sound lay okay عليها half a 2 count صعيدا so is the heavy letter okay so it should not sound the sa is wrong صعيدا جرزا here you have to do ikhfa that is hiding the nun sakin or tanween in the nasal cavity that is nasalization صعيدا جرزا Ra is heavy because it has dhamma. Don't say juru. Juruza is wrong. Juru. Ru. Okay, but if you make it light, that will be lehne khafi. That doesn't change the meaning of the word, but that is disliked. It is makruh. But the lehne jali, which is the open and clear mistakes, are haram to do, as that changes the word completely. Just like how if you say su'idan as a sa'idan, then the sod is converted into sin. You removed one letter and added the separate different letter. That changed something in the Quran, right? Changing like that is not allowed in the Quran recitation. Su'idan juruza. Zan becomes za while stopping. Repeat with me. وإنا لجاعلون ما عليها صعيدا جرزا